Here's a simple step-by-step guide showing you how to track any Amazon order using a web browser. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In at the top right and enter your account details. Once you're logged in, move your cursor to the top right where it shows Returns and Orders. Click it. This opens the page that lists every order you've placed on Amazon. Scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to find the exact order you want. Each order will show the item name, estimated delivery date, and shipping status. When you find the order, click the button labeled Track Package. This will open a detailed tracking page where you can see the current location of the package, shipping progress, estimated arrival date, carrier updates, and delivery photos if the package was already delivered. If you want to get updates automatically, scroll down and enable delivery notifications. Amazon can notify you by email or through your browser whenever the status changes. If you can't find an order, scroll to the top and click Archived Orders. Sometimes older orders get stored here and won't appear on your main list. And that's it. That's how you track any Amazon order step by step using your web browser.